It's 7 minutes in here. Okay. Oh, we don't have 7 minutes. That sucks.
More. Birdie? Definitely much better than the other. Oh, there we go. They say kids are ready if they open their mouth when the spoon comes. His mouth was open long before that. He's like, uh-oh, paparazzi.
Got major red eye going on. Watch this. I'm going to flip over to Kurt. I'm going to film Kurt filming Brody.
Get your fingers out.
Okay?
Get your fingers. Get your fingers out.
That's the thing. I mean, like, he does really well at first, and then it's like he starts really getting into it. And then he wants to take like the bowl, and then he wants a spoon, and then he wants to just to eat everything.
Get your fingers out. We don't want you to throw up. Good boy. Get your fingers out. Come on.
Finger looking good.
Alrighty. Come on. I think the fingers is a sign that he's done.
That's good stuff.
I think it's a sign that he wants to do it himself.
Yeah.
Oh, it was nice wiping his mouth.
Now he's eating instead.
So, guys, I got like a little piece of rice stuck in my gums in here. I'm trying to get out. Man, a toothpick.
Would I say if he ate half of this, I'd be happy?
Yeah. Eat all of it. Get up.
Well, half of it. Want some more?
Good. Good.
Fingers.
Eating, sucking on the thumb. Multitasking.
I'll feed you if you want to eat your thumb. Not much left, buddy. That's it.